Hello and welcome to English Hub Online, your digital English classroom wherever you are in the world. Today we're going to look at some linking words in English. Let's get started. There are 4 sentences on this slide. Pause the video and try to fill in the gaps with because, so, although, and but. Then check your answers with me. Ready? Let's do it together. I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm very tired today. He's very kind, but sometimes he talks too much. Although it was cold, we decided to go swimming. She didn't go out with her friends because she was feeling sick. We use the linking word because to give a reason. For example, she didn't go out with her friends because she was feeling sick. We use the linking word so to show a result. For example, I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm very tired today. As you can see, a comma is usually placed before so when it connects two independent clauses to make the sentence clearer, especially in writing. We use the word but to show a contrast or difference between ideas. For example, he's very kind, but sometimes he talks too much. As you can see, but is used between two clauses, and we can put a comma before it. Although is used to show a contrast to. For example, although it was cold, we decided to go swimming. Although connects two clauses. It can come in the middle of a sentence too. For example, we can also say, we decided to go swimming although it was cold. As you can see, when although comes at the beginning of a sentence, we use a comma after the first clause. Want to practice what we covered today? Head over to my website www.englishhubonline.com for some related exercises and plenty of other helpful materials to explore. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you found it useful, please give it a like, share it with someone who's learning English, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical lessons. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, wherever you are.